In this class, we are going to discuss about question number 8, exercise 12.1, surface area and volume. Observe this question. From a solid cylinder, what we are having one solid cylinder. Height of this solid cylinder is what? 2.4 centimeter. Height of this solid cylinder. Height of a cylinder denoted by H, and it is given as 2.4 centimeter. Another thing we are having, its diameter is what? 1.4 centimeter. Diameter of a cylinder is 1.4 centimeter. We are having diameter, so half of this will be what? Radius of a cylinder will be what? 0.7 centimeter. Clear? These things we are having. A conical cavity of the same height and same diameter is hollowed out. What we are doing? We are having solid cylinder. From this one, same height and same diameter, conical cavity we are hollowed out. We are removing this part. We are remove this cone from this solid. Clear? And height of this cone we are removing, that one is what? 2.4 centimeter, and diameter of this cone, which one we removed from this solid, that one having what? 1.4 centimeter. Clear? Find the total surface area of a remaining part. Once we remove this conical cavity from this solid, then there is a hole. We are getting like this shape. Clear? This is not there. We are getting only this part. Now we want what? Surface area. Total surface area of the remaining solid. So, what about the total surface area of the remaining solid? What about the total surface area of the remaining solid? This will be what? What solid we are having? We are having like this. It means this is what? Curved surface area of a cone. Curved surface area of a cone, or plus this part we are having. This part, this plus this one. So curved surface area of a cone plus curved surface area of a cylinder, plus, now once we hollowed out this cavity, conical cavity, then we are getting remaining solid is what? Curved surface area of this one. In area we will include curved surface area of cone, curved surface area of a solid cylinder, and one is this one. In the bottom face we are having circle. Area of a circle. What? Area of a circle. Area of a base circle of a cylinder. Understand first. Total surface area of a remaining solid. Once we hollowed out this conical cavity, we removed or we cut this conical shape, then we are getting what? I am just removing. Now once we observe, once we remove or hollowed out of 2.4 height and 1.4 centimeter conical cavity from this solid, then remaining solid we are having this one. Now we want its what? Total surface area of a remaining solid. So we will use curved surface area of a cone plus curved surface area of a cylinder plus circle area of a circle. In a cylinder, in a we are having circle, so top circle we removed, but bottom circle we are having, so we added. So now what about the formula of these? Curved surface area of a cone pi rl plus curved surface area of a cylinder 2 pi rh plus area of a base circle of a cylinder, and this is what? Pi r square. This can be written as pi r. Now L, H and R both we are having from this to this one. This is the what? Radius r, and this is what? R equal to 0.7 centimeter. Clear? Half of this one. L we are not having. R and H of a cone we are having, but L we are not having, so this can be written as root of r square plus h square. Clear? Plus 2 pi rh plus pi r square. Now take pi r is a common, then what are the remaining? R square plus h square plus pi r is a common, then 2h plus r. Now put the values. Pi is 22/7, r is 0.7 into, next one will be what? Put the values. R is 0.7 square plus h is the height of a cone. We remove this cavity. I am drawing dotted, but its radius is the same of radius is the same of radius of cylinder. Clear? And its height is same as what? Height of, this is the r and this is what? H. So r is 0.7 whole square and h will be what? H is what? 2.4, so this will be what? 2.4 whole square. Clear? Plus 2 into h is the 2.4 plus r is what? 0.7. Solve. Remove this point. 10, 7 will be cancelled from this one, then we are getting 2.2 multiplied of, solve this one. 0.7 square will be what? 49. 7 square is 49, so 4 what? 7 square is the 49, point will be there, plus 24 square. 24 square is 2.4 square will be 5.76, and its square root. Take its square root. Plus 4 2 ja 8, 2 2 ja 4, plus 0.7. 2.2 into this will be what? 9 plus 6 will be what? 5, 15, 1 is remaining. 8 plus 4, 12, 2 is remaining. 12, 1 is remaining. 5 plus 1, 6, 6.25. 8, 9 plus 6, 15, 1 is remaining. 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 4, 12, 2 is there, 1 is remaining. 5 plus 1, 6. Plus 4.8 plus 0.7. What things are getting? Observe, I am writing this side. 2.2 into square root of 6 6.25, this will be what? 2.5. 2.5 plus 4.8 plus 0.7. 2.2 into 7 plus 8. 7 plus 8, 15. 15 plus 5, 20. 2 is remaining. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. Multiply 8 to ja 16. 1 is remaining. 8 to ja 16 and 1 17. 17.6, and this is approximate equal to 18 centimeter. This is area, so this will be in a centimeter square. We are having radius in a centimeter, so this will be in a centimeter square. Observe again what we are doing, in which we are having one cylinder and its height is 2.4 centimeter and its diameter is the 1.4 centimeter. So half of this one will be what? Radius. Clear? Now we are hollowed out a same height and same diameter conical cavity. Clear? Once we removed, then we are getting shape and we want surface area of that remaining shape. So once we remove this cavity, then we are getting what? Like this shape. Clear? Then total surface area of a remaining solid will be what? Curved surface area of a cone plus curved surface area of a cylinder plus area of a circle, base circle. In a base of a cylinder we are having circle, its radius r, so its area. Now then we are writing formula, putting the values of r, h and solving. Then we are getting 18 centimeter square is what? Total surface area of a remaining solid. I hope you understand this question. That's all about this question. Thank you so much.